is tour driver.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Tom. Manito.
Tom. You book Tom. Good driver. What's up? We will put here what's up. Okay, it's okay. This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Mali. Ayan, we just had breakfast dito sa amin. Ayan. Nakita niyo ba yung food kanina? Papakita ko ulit. Ayan. Ito pong mga activities ng mga titas. Hanap siya ng hand market niya. Ito, siya ay supermarket. Ito ang aming wifi. Ting, ting, ting. Ayan ang aming view from the hotel.
Pwede ka mag-bike lang.
Hala?
Bike tayo?
Magbabike ba, Jaker? Wait lang. Sige, mag-ano kayo dyan? Magko-coffee pa ba kayo? Ano pa? May gusto pa kayo? Magko-coffee lang ulit ako. Kukuha lang ako coffee. Para kasi ang lamig ng coffee.
Wala na nga actually.
Wala na yung coffee? Sige. Tingin ko guys yung food. Ayan. Nawala na yung bunny. May bunny kanina dyan. So, ayan. White rice. Good morning. Noodles. May po pala dyan sa Rio Congee. Yan yung cooking. Live cooking. Very quick lang. Ayan. Tapos, I'll get coffee. May ganyan pa talaga sa Ano daw? Ano nang gusto niya? Done?
Research na,
Table Mountain. Sa Cape Town pala yun. Marble pala.
Marble Mountain.
Marble. 7 kilometers.
How many minutes? 30 minutes?
Ay talaga.
Yes, ayan ang picture namin sa hotel lobby. While we wait at the hotel lobby, may nag-offer, Grab driver daw siya ng hotel. So, we haggle how much. So, yun, pumayag kami the whole day, siyang in charge sa amin. So, we don't have to rush. And it's okay naman, chinek naman namin yung price. Is okay naman. Ayan guys, yan yung side ng Mikay Beach dito sa Danang. O, diba, maayos na siya. Gloomy lang, pero hindi na siya raining. So, the weather is good today. Gloomy, hindi masyadong mainit. So, we're good to go. So, ang first stop namin, we will go to Son Mocha Marina kasi may beautiful cafe doon. Para siyang Santorini vibes. Yun, malapit lang din siya sa area namin kaya yun muna ang dadaanan namin bago kami pumunta sa
20 minutes later.
We are here sa Sontran Coffee. Ayan.
Meron 2 cake plus 1 drink.
Oo.
Magdadagdag lang ng extra drink.
2 cake, 1 drink. Eh, ano lang ako? Drink lang, wala? Drink lang.
Ba kayo? Drink.
Coconut coffee lang ako.
Coffee na lang.
Ayan o.
Sige. O di yun na lang 4. Ano kayo? Coconut coffee. O sige, coconut coffee.
Magkano yung coconut coffee?
75.
O, pwede na yun.
Ito.
Kaya nyo, hindi, baka hindi nyo kaya yung coconut coffee. Matcha na lang.
Hindi masarap?
Hindi masarap yun.
Ha?
Para sa akin, coconut coffee, masarap. Hindi ko lang na-try yung matcha salt. Yan, parang masarap din eh.
Coconut milk ang gamit lang
Oo.
naman, di ba?
Oo.
Ano? Ng matcha o ng coconut? Coconut.
Wala yung menu. Mamili na kayo. I slow it down. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea how much yung prices dyan sa Centro Marina Cafe. O, ayan. So, post, screenshot it. Para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea. Well, the coffee, the coconut coffee is very tasty. Tapos meron pa siya guys na coconut flakes. I love it. And there's naman combo, kaya lang kakakain lang namin ng breakfast. So we decided na mag-coffee muna while we watch the what you call this, the view. Ang ganda dyan guys. Parang Santorini yung effect talaga. Oh, diba? Halika na daw. Sit anywhere daw, Jaker. Yan, ayaw. Ang avocado mousse pala. Ba't hindi tayo umano ng avocado mousse?
Wala.
Wag na, hayaan mo na. Next time,
Di ba yung combo na lang yung...
Ayan yung coconut. Coconut nut. It's a giant nut. Yes. Ito na. Nandiyan na? And we're done for the day. I'll show you the place, guys. Ayan, oh. Guys, ayan ang San Marino Cafe, Malagris. Ang ganda ng cafe, guys. Parang siyang vibe talaga ng Greece, yung Santorini Beach. And maraming Instagrammable place. Yung iba nga naka-attire pa sila. May mga lights pa talaga. So, yun lang. This is a very good place to drink coffee. So, kung hindi pa afford Greece, dito kayo pumunta. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later!